At AWS, we believe the future of innovation starts with upskilling our next generation of developers and cloud practitioners. We aim to train as many students as we can through different AWS programs like AWS Educate, Cloud Innovation Centers, and AWS Internships. We asked some of the students to share about their cloud journey with AWS, their goals, ambitions, and projects, and what's next in their cloud journey.
When I started AWS Educate, my goals was to learn about cloud computing basics and also to deepen my knowledge regarding technologies that drive artificial intelligence and machine learning.
When I started using AWS, my goal was to be familiar with the AWS services and get involved in the AWS community. But when I look back, there are a lot of things that we have achieved and learned.
One of the most valuable things that I have learned in this internship is to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. An environment where you are challenged to be the best version of you, where you are challenged to one-up yourself and continuously grow, is an environment that will bring out the best in you. And that is exactly the kind of environment that AWS is.
When I signed up to be an AWS Educate ambassador, my main goal was gaining experience from people who work directly in the cloud application development field and pass on the experience to other students. To add, I wanted to learn how Amazonians are able to build innovative AWS features that lead the cloud market and contribute to such amazing work as much as possible.
I can surely say that using AWS Educate, my skills has increased. I can now train and deploy a model in a much more efficient and in a less time.
The first course that I took was Cloud Computing 101, which taught me the basics of cloud computing. This got me really curious, so I decided to check out their other courses like Machine Learning, Big Data, and Solutions Architect.
The immersive teaching experience of both theory and practical at the same time was amazing. Having knowledge is always good, but practice opens new secrets. And now I have a good grasp over a lot of cloud skills like storage, computing, and machine learning.
The coolest thing I built using AWS Cloud is a face mask detection, which is a neural network algorithm that detects people wearing face masks and takes action accordingly. I trained the model with the help of AWS SageMaker, using thousands of pictures stored in an S3 bucket. The whole algorithm connects with the AWS IoT core to control electric gates, providing access to people wearing face masks. It's still under development and not released yet, but I'm proud of the progress.
I had no experience developing with cloud applications and their architecture, so AWS Educate has really motivated me and shown me the basics of how to get started with the cloud. Moving forward, I would like to be at a point where I could use my cloud skills to help emerging startups with their cloud problems. I've got a couple of ideas that I'd like to try with SageMaker especially, so using AWS Educate, I think I have the necessary skills to try building all my ideas now.
Rewarding,
Empowering,
Nourishing,
Enlightening,
The future.
Enthusiastic.
Fascinating.
With AWS, learn, have fun, and build on.